Welcome to the first module of Autodesk Revit. In this module, we'll be talking about BIM and Autodesk Revit. Let's get started with what is BIM. BIM is a building information modeling. It is a process of creating and managing information for built assets based on intelligent models and enabled by cloud platform. BIM integrates structured and multidisciplinary data to produce a digital representation of assets across its lifecycle, from planning and designing to construction and operation. In simple words, we can say that it is a digital representation of a building, physical and functional properties and its characteristics. It includes all the information about the buildings and the models made in the software. How is it useful? BIM is used by all architects, engineers, construction workers. It helps them to make better decisions, improve their performance, helps them collaborating, increase their productivity. It's very profitable for them also. These are some software which uses BIM: Autodesk Revit, Autodesk BIM 360, SketchUp, and we also have Archicad, Vectorworks Architect. This course is mainly focused on Autodesk Revit. It will be teaching you the basics of Autodesk Revit, including each tools and how to make models from scratch. Next, we'll be talking about what is Revit. Revit is a BIM software that brings all architects, engineers, and construction disciplines into unified modeling, driving more efficient and cost-effective projects. Revit is used by architects to make buildings, walls, doors, roofs, structural engineers to make materials, buildings, beams, columns. We can design all that from scratch. It helps in 3D modeling of the 2D design. Next, we'll be talking about the difference between Autodesk Revit and AutoCAD. Biggest difference between AutoCAD and Autodesk Revit is that AutoCAD is a CAD software and Revit is a BIM. While AutoCAD is used for generally drawing tools with broad application, Revit is a design and documentation of a solution, supports all phases of disciplines including building a project. In AutoCAD, it's very restricting, like you can draw only 2D structure, 2D design like plan, elevation, section, and that too you have to draw it on your own. In Revit we can convert 2D into 3D, like you don't have to draw the 3D structure on your own. If you draw something on a plan, that same thing will be converted into your elevation. You don't have to draw this elevation separately. Whereas in AutoCAD, you have to draw all the plans separately. And if you have to draw it into 3D, we don't have a special command for that. You have to draw it on your own. It's all manual work in AutoCAD. But in Autodesk, everything which is done is converted into 3D. You don't have to draw anything separate, and it helps in organizing things also. We can collaborate also in Revit. So that's about it for this module.